Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be unboxing a brand new GE dishwasher. So our new GE dishwasher has arrived, just come in off the truck. So now we're going to see about unboxing it. Some manufacturers put the unboxing instructions on the outside of the box. Some don't give you anything. They don't make any mention of these straps, but they have to come off before we can cut anything else. So in looking at the box and giving it a little pull, there's really no need to cut anything. This box is ready to come off. I'm just going to lift straight up. And there's all the things that happen when you do that. Okay, so following their instructions, you could see the result. The reality is, probably if we'd have just opened up the top of the box, we would have seen all that material in the corners and just been able to lift them out individually instead of them falling apart like a bad deck of cards. But anyway, now that they're off, just want to take this protective covering off. And there's our dishwasher. So now that the packing material is out of the way, now's the time to do our inspection to make sure that we don't have any damages that took place while it was in the box. Our corners aren't bent. There doesn't seem to be any sign of any damages. But we do have a couple pieces of tape here in the corners that are holding the door from opening. We're going to remove those because we want to open that door and make sure that all the things that are supposed to be with the dishwasher are actually there. So now that we have all our box and outer packaging off, the next thing we want to do is get the dishwasher off that styrofoam base. And the easiest way to do that is just to lay the machine on its back, provide a little bit of support, and just lift the dishwasher. Slide that out, set it off to one side, and now we just stand our dishwasher back up. So now that we have it off that foam block, we should be able to open this door and see what's inside. Lots of plastic and packing material, all the little pieces that are needed in order to have it make the trip from the manufacturer to your home. What we do find is our lower rack, our owner's manual with some bits and pieces, which we'll get to in a little bit. We have a drain hose that's taped to the bottom of the rack, and that's not coming out without having the tape cut. So you just want to be careful when you do make any cut with a knife that you're not cutting anywhere near the dishwasher rack itself, because you don't want to put a mark in that coating. If you do, it'll just cause the rack to rust prematurely. So we have a drain hose, have more little pieces from our upper rack, some in the back corner of the rack, and we have our energy guide that they've tie strapped in place. We're going to need either a pair of cutters or our knife will do the trick to get rid of that. So here's one of the reasons why you want to take the time to do this sort of inspection when you're unpacking. This element is clipped in place to keep it from going down and touching the tub. On this side, this isn't anywhere near the clamp, or the clamp is nowhere near the element. So that's something that needs to be addressed. So while it's brand new, you're going to want to make that phone call to the manufacturer, arrange to have one of their service representatives come out and make sure they get that fixed. So let's take a look and confirm with the owner's information that everything that's supposed to be with the dishwasher is with the dishwasher. So everything that's supposed to be here is here, other than having to get that heater issue addressed. Everything is ready to go. So that's the unboxing. Our next step will be to do the installation and setup. And if you'd like to see that video, be sure to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.